Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to see about science subject. Already we have started the new chapter. What is the chapter name, children? Sixth chapter, stars, planets and moon. That is, we know that solar system. So what is meant by solar system, children? So the earth is the one planet that moves around the sun. Sun, planets and their moons together, they will make the solar system. Sun, moon and the planets together make the solar system. See children, here what are the planets in the solar system? You know the inner planets, outer planets of the solar system. How many planets are there in the solar system? These all we know that. We know in the previous academic year itself. See here, planet means it. This word comes from Greek, which means wandering star. Wandering star, that is moving stars. Planets are heavenly bodies which revolve around the sun in elliptical orbits. Elliptical shape, elliptical shape. So like egg shape only will be there. Elliptical, like oval shape only, but round. In solar system how planets revolve around the sun. Okay. Earlier it was considered that there were how many planets? 9 planets. But lately one planet called Pluto, it was declassified from being a planet. That's why it is called as a dwarf planet. It will appear sometimes, it will disappear sometimes. Next, all planets fall in two groups. Inner planets, what are the inner planets, children? Mercury, Venus, Mars, and Earth are called inner planets. Outer planets, there are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So, what are the inner planets? Mercury, Venus, Mars, and Earth are called inner planets. What are the outer planets? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, see in your textbook, page number 197, solar system, planets in the solar system figure, you can understand what are the inner planets of the solar system, what are the outer planets of the solar system. Next, we can discuss about moon, children. What is meant by moon? When we will see the moon at night time, we will see the moon in the sky, no? So, you will enjoy by seeing the moon. So, what is the points you remembered about the moon? Moon is not a planet, but only satellite of the Earth. But only satellite of the Earth. That's only satellite called moon. Its diameter is 1 by 4th of the Earth. 1 by 4th of the Earth. How many kilometers away from the Earth? You know that it is 384,400 kilometers away from the Earth. Moon has no light on its own. You know that. It actually the sun's light which bounces off from the surface of the moon and comes down to us. That's why we call this light as a moonlight. We call this light as a moonlight. Okay, it takes the sunlight, bounce off from the surface of the moon and comes down to us. So, what are the, you have observed some pictures on the moon. While sleeping in olden days, they used to sleep in the outside only. They will observe some, on the moon, some pictures will be there. So, if you observe in the moon, we can see rocks, dust, mountains, and huge ditches called craters on the moon. Craters, Craters, children. Craters means big stones will be there on the moon. Understood? And no air on the moon and no water on the moon. But nowadays, small traces of water were discovered on the moon. See, who is he? He is an astronaut. Okay. Neil Armstrong became the first person to walk on the moon as a commander of the American mission Apollo 11 by first setting foot on the moon on 21st July 1969. Who first step on the moon? Neil Armstrong. Remember, this is also very important point. And moon goes around the earth just like earth goes around the sun. It takes how many days to make one trip around the earth, children? You know that 27.3 days. 27.3 days it takes to make one trip around the earth. And you know what are the phases of the moon, children? Phases of the moon. Have you listened about phases of the moon? Sometimes we will say in Telugu, new moon, full moon, full moon day today, new moon day today. You have observed that those are the phases of the moon. What are the phases of the moon means we can see different shapes of the moon. Daily moon will not be appeared fully, no. Have you observed that on different days? If you observe that moon will not be same shape. Moon will be in different shapes. Have you observed that, children? Yes. So when we do not see any moon in the sky, it means that we are not able to see its lit side at all. Lit side at all. Okay, it does not mean that moon has left the sky for the night. This moon, which we are not able to see, it is still present in the sky. You know that? That's why that day is called as new moon day. So in Telugu, Amavasya, Paurnami, will call that only new moon, full moon day. After the new moon, the moon takes like a crescent shape, and slowly turns into the moon. Crescent shape. You observe in the textbook, children. You observe in the textbook. This is the crescent shape. Are you seeing? This is the crescent shape. See, some days you can see this type of moon, no? So it takes crescent shape and slowly turns into half moon, and then finally full moon. Are you observing? Finally full moon. Okay, we can see the fully lit face of the moon on full moon night. That's why on that day we'll call it as a full moon. Full moon. Are you observing this? The moon then slowly reduces to a half moon again. Are you seeing? From full moon, it again reduces to half moon. Are you seeing here? Yes. Then back to new moon again. This entire cycle of the moon takes about 29 days. These different shapes of the moon called phases of the moon. Okay, these different shapes of the moon are called phases of the moon. Only moon will not be in this shape all days. You can observe different shapes of the moon in different days. Okay. So for first 14 days, when the lighted part of the moon goes on increasing, see, first part of 14 days, this moon has been increased. Are you observing? That is called waxing. We will call it as a waxing. Are you seeing waxing spelling? Yes. Increased part of the moon is called waxing. Next 14 days, when lighted part goes on decreasing, see here, lighted part goes on decreasing. It is called waning phase of the moon. W-A-N-I-N-G. Are you seeing here? W-A-N-I-N-G. Decreasing of the moon, waning. Increasing of the moon, waxing. W-A-X-I-N-G. Moon phases. Are you observing? These are the moon phases. That is different shapes of the moon on different days. Okay? On different days. So, hope you have understood, children, what is meant by waxing, what is meant by waning phase of the moon. Okay, first it will be in crescent shape and slowly goes on increasing and becomes full moon. This phase is called waxing phase, increasing part of the moon. Next, after come full moon, again next 14 days it goes on decreasing. The lighted part of the moon goes on decreasing, and again gets back to the new cycle like this only. This cycle repeats. So one cycle takes 29 days. Entire cycle of the moon takes 29 days. Okay, different shapes of the moon only are called moon phases. Moon phases, phases of the moon. What is meant by phases of the moon means different shapes of the moon are called phases of the moon. Understood, children? So this is about your lesson finished. Next class we will see the stars, children. Okay, we'll read about stars so that this chapter ends. Thank you.